Hey guys, it's Steph here with Raylan's Boutique and Trendy and Indie. This week we are bringing you a segment about what's in my beach bag and what to wear on your different vacations by the poolside, by the beach, wherever you're going. So first we're going to talk about what to wear kind of by the pool or at the beach. We've got a bunch of different kimonos this year. This is our top selling one. We actually just restocked it. It's just great to just throw on over a swimsuit as you're heading down to the pool or wherever it is you're going on vacation. Next we have one of my favorite rompers. We just released this week. Rompers are so great for your beach vacations because you can just throw it on after you're done at the pool and head to a restaurant or wherever it is that you're going, and it's a whole outfit, which is so easy. This dress we actually just got in today and I absolutely love it. First of all, it's so comfortable and it's just easy to throw on over your swimsuit. It's just your basic dress cover-up. Next we've got some outfits that you can wear if you're going to a resort or if you're on a cruise. These are just really great staple outfits to have. So this is one of our tie-dye tops. It's obviously sheer, so it's just a great cover-up. That's what it's actually meant to be. But you can also throw on a tank top under it, make it a whole outfit. And then we have one of my favorite products, which is our white flowy pants. These also come in a maroon color and they're very pretty. And then finally we have these flowy pants. I call them our travel pants because this is exactly what I would wear on an airplane. They're just so comfortable. And we've paired it with just a simple top. So it's kind of one like tonal outfit, I guess, as far as color goes, but it's just really easy to throw on over your swimsuit. Okay, next I'm going to show you kind of what I keep in my beach bag. So of course I keep tanning lotion because I am very pale. So I always have my sunscreen on or some kind of tanning lotion. Anything that's going to block those UV rays is definitely something that you want to do just to keep your skin protected. It's so important. I also have flip-flops in my bag at all times just because if my feet get hot and so I'm walking on the sand or the pavement or whatever, I definitely don't want my feet to be burned. So flip-flops are a great way to go, and these are actually one of our new styles that we've got this year, and they're super comfortable. I always keep my sunglasses on me because my eyes are so sensitive to the sun, and as I'm reading my book I definitely want to have my sunglasses. So these are Kate Spade, of course, because I just love her, but definitely a thing to always have in your beach bag. And then finally a hat. I like to keep my face protected because my nose always seems to get sunburned no matter how much sunscreen I have on it. I can have SPF 75 and it still gets burned. So a hat is just a great way to block the shade, especially if you're going to be out in the sun for a long period of time. And finally, I usually keep a headband. This is one of our pink pewter headbands, and you may feel that it's a little bit too fancy or something for the beach or the pool, but it's just kind of a fun headband to have in your beach bag, and that way you can keep your hair out of your face, and if you're getting in the pool it just stays out of your face and out of your way. And that is what we've got for you this week. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to check back next week for a special with Air Tan. We're going to be talking all about spray tans. Thanks, have a great day.